What the bunny hop? How did this Easter-themed dance make its way from 1950s to 2024? Learn how to dance the rockabilly bunny hop. Then stay tuned for the history of bunny hop from the 1950s prom dance to modern video game emoji. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com. Have you ever done the bunny hop? This fun 1950s conga line dance is hopping to a wedding near you. Join me as we learn how to dance the 1950s bunny hop. Where do new dance trends come from? Hip kids. Band leader Ray Anthony got wind of a new dance in San Francisco in 1952. He took a trip to Balboa High School to check out the conga line dance-inspired bunny hop the kids were doing. This inspired him to write the song to fit their dance. Ray Anthony got the world a hopping by featuring the bunny hop on his show in 1953. This was not the last time it aired on TV. It was in Family Ties, Fresh Prince, and Everybody Loves Raymond. My favorite is the version in When You're an Addams from the Addams Family musical that I did a tutorial for. The bunny hop inspired other dances. In the 1960s, Finnish composer Erik Lindstrom wrote Let Kengenka, first recorded by The Adventurers, as a line dance schottische using the bunny hop, but starting with the left foot. It was later renamed Letkiss. In 2014, Arabian weddings went viral with Rask a Batik, or Penguin Dance, featuring the bunny hop conga line steps. In the gaming world, Fortnite created an emoji of the bunny hop with just a hop, hop, hop. So come on with us and check out this bunny hop. Remember to like and subscribe and check out all our fun films at adventuresindance.com. Step 1. 2 points to the right, 2 points to the left. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2. Hop forward, back, 3 hops forward. It looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. When you put it together, it looks like this.